Good morning or good evening or good afternoon, whatever time it is in the world for you. For me, we are here waiting for the sun to fully rise. And I just felt inspired to make this video for you guys today because I know that it's going to make you a lot of money if you take what I say seriously right now. But first, coffee. In today's video, I'm sharing a niche with you that is so simple, yet I know most of you watching this haven't thought to list products on Etsy in this niche. So basically, I'm giving it the name, the thank you niche. And we're going to dive into my laptop in just a moment, and I'm going to show you some examples of what I mean by the thank you niche. There are so many products, especially print-on-demand products, that can be sold in this niche, and the amazing thing is it's evergreen. These products sell all year round because people are buying for their loved ones all year round for all different occasions. There are so many different times to say thank you to our loved ones throughout the year. So this is a huge goldmine niche that not many people have tapped into just yet. And then the reason why I'm talking about it right now, because Thanksgiving is at the end of next month and people do give their loved ones thank you gifts for this occasion. Maybe they get a thank you gift for the person who's hosting their Thanksgiving dinner. Maybe they're having Friendsgiving and the friends want to give each other presents. Believe it or not, this is a big time to sell in this niche. So we're going to jump into my laptop. I'm going to show you some examples and proof that these products are bringing in a lot of money. And then I'm going to show you the different types of products that you should be applying these designs to within Printify. So no more talking, let's jump into it. All right, so now we are in Etsy and I just simply typed in thank you gifts. Typically I populate this as best sellers and popular now badges, but as you can see, there are so many popular nows and bestseller badges already just on these first pages. And with my EVERBEE Chrome extension, we can see the monthly sales on all of these are really great. And there are all different product types that are selling really, really well, even if you are a handmade and digital seller. But this video specifically is going to be for print-on-demand sellers. So I'm going to zoom in mostly on print-on-demand products. For example, right here, we have this candle that made 222 monthly sales. We have a very simple Christmas ornament here that has already made 618 sales this month. Another thank you ornament doing really well this month, 207 sales. This tumbler here is insane. It's made 2,000 sales this month. These tumblers here have made 46 sales this month. And as you can see, not all of them say thank you even on the product. Some of them might have like a really sweet quote on them and they might say thank you on them. But there's others that, like this one, that is just personalized with their name. However, they are putting probably the words thank you in their titles and tags so that it's populating when people type in thank you gifts. Even a simple personalized notebook or journal, this one has sold 410 times this month. If you're still with me, can you please type thank you in the comment section below? One, this lets me know you're still with me. Two, this boosts my video for engagement, so thank you so much. And three, let's say thank you to the universe. Kalimera, good morning. We are on my favorite beach in the entire world right now. There are just so many different options here. And also, aside from products, there are just so many different niches and design aesthetics that could be applied to these thank you gifts. Some of these designs are so simple and plain, yet they are making a lot of sales. So imagine if you put a little bit more effort in and had a trending design aesthetic, how many more sales you could make. You would stand out so much more than the very simple designs. And while we're on the topic of designs, perfect timing because we're gearing up for 2026. Kittl has just released a free design trend report for the year of 2026. They did this last year too, and they were so spot on. This is free and I will link it in the description below. When you click my link in the description below, you're going to get this template and then you're going to click it and it's going to bring you into this screen, okay? You're going to get everything you see here. You guys know how much I love talking about designs and upcoming trends, and Kittl did it for us already. And many of these types of designs I have already seen selling on Etsy. This literally gave me the idea too for like the thank you niche. Imagine, like, let's say a child is giving their mother a mug for Mother's Day and their drawing is on the mug. This design aesthetic falls right into that. And the cool thing is Kittl shows the fonts and elements that are used with each of these design aesthetics. They also give a description about each design aesthetic as well. I've also been seeing this blueprint design aesthetic in so many places out and about, and also on Etsy, but I'm seeing so many people wearing shirts and the back of the shirt will have a design like this on it. This is going to be huge in 2026, but applying any of these to the thank you niche would be really cool. You're going to stand out among the other Etsy sellers that are not on top of the design trends just yet. Again, you can use the same design elements that they used here, and you can simply do that by coming up here to illustration, and then you would just type in one of those keywords and you're going to get a set of elements that you can use in your design. They also give you a toolkit with all of the templates and elements linked here. I love that they are releasing this design trend report now so that we can get ahead for 2026. Again, you can find the entire trend report for free with the link in my description below. I don't really see any of those 2026 design trends on any of these thank you products right now. So like I said, this will be a way for you to stand out before the rest of the crowd. Now jumping into Printify, I'm going to show you where you can find some of these top thank you products. I absolutely love mugs. I will scream this from every rooftop because the profit margin is so high with these. This is my go-to mug. It's $3.68. You could sell a mug between $19.99 to even $24.99 and make a huge profit margin from these. If you want to get a little bit less of a profit margin, which is okay to do sometimes, because sometimes you're going to make even more sales selling a product that is not already on the market. For example, these mugs that have the colors inside, and the price point is still really good. You can still get a really great profit margin selling these. I love the enamel camping mug as well. The price point is higher than the other mugs. However, people will pay more for these types of camping mugs, so you still can get a decent profit margin selling these. Candles are a huge go-to for thank you gifts, and this can be applied to any type of niche, and you can apply any type of those design aesthetics to the candle label to stand out. Decent profit margin with these. Blankets are huge gifts, especially this time of year, and they are actually trending. This woven blanket is selling like crazy. I just made 2 videos sharing about these woven blankets. I will link them in the description below. 1 is a tutorial and 2 is the different niches that you can apply to these. But even this velveteen plush blanket sells really well, and it's only $9.59. Again, a huge profit here. Even with the woven blankets being $21, people on Etsy are selling these for like $60+. So also another huge profit margin, also a big thank you gift giving product. Journals and notebooks. Even ornaments are huge. I mean, most of the time these are going to mostly only sell between like October and December, unless you make an evergreen type of ornament. However, even though they sell mostly between 2 to 3 months, people make a lot of money selling ornaments. I will also link an ornament video in my description below. But yeah, I mean, as you can see, Printify has hundreds of products to choose from. I feel like pretty much anything can be turned into a thank you gift, right? But the ones that I showed
showed you here are the ones that are proven to be selling on Etsy now.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Those are the types of products that you should be listing to cash in on this niche. Do it now and you'll be so happy, because especially for the holiday season, these products are really going to start selling now, and they're going to skyrocket your shop sales in general and continue to sell throughout the year. If this video helped you, please give me a like, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Also, if you feel like your shop should be making more sales than it is right now, there might just be a few tweaks that you need to make to your shop or to your listings, and it's important to do these things before the Q4 season so that you can make those extra sales, make sure that your shop is up and running properly. I am going to leave a link in the description below if you would like to sign up for a shop review. I will take a look at your shop. I will show you the things that you are doing right, the things that you are not doing right, and how you can fix those things so that you can be up and running for this holiday season. Now, of course, there are more details to starting this business, so I've provided a free tutorial in my description below, a free course that's going to hold your hand step by step through this whole process so that you can get your shop up and running as soon as today.